So let's proceed to activity number 4, which is the elastic beanstalk elastic or elastic beanstalk. So go to Amazon elastic beanstalk, then create application, and then dito gagawa tayo ng ating application. So create application, and then the application name, I think siguro ito na lang, my first application, and create. Then dito meron tayong application version and application configuration, and then go for create environment. And then dito sa environment tier, may pagpipilan tayo ditong web server environment. Dito makikita yung mga view. Basta doon sa website, mga ganun, web application. And then dito sa worker environment, yung mga pangmatagalan yan. And then I choose web server environment, and then scroll down. Then nandiyan yung may for application. And then div blank for attributed value, and then the environment description. Skip ko na yan, and then mag-choose na yung platform dito, which is the Python. And then application code. So dito hindi tayo gagamit ng sarili nating code. So gagawa ay pipiliin natin yung sample application na makikita natin later on. Yung sample application na magagawa. So hindi muna tayo dito ano ng sarili nating code, dahil ipapakita lang natin yung application na magagawa using this elastic yon. And then dito sa config and progression presets, meron dito single instance, simple instance, high availability using ganyan, constant configuration. And then that's it. Next. And then dito sa service access, meron ditong service rule, which is the create and use new service rule and use an existing service rule. So ang pipili natin dito is the use an existing service rule, and then click next. Then dito sa virtual private cloud, no, meron ditong recommended, which is this. So yan na rin. And then scroll up lang natin, and for public IP address hindi natin activate, and then the instance subnet, so pipili tayo dito ng at least 2, which is the USS1E and the US1C. So scroll down for the database, and skip lang natin yan, and then scroll up and next. For the instance room volume, no, dito default lang yan, and then default. And for the group name, no, pipili natin yung default, and then scroll up, scroll down, default, and default. Next. And for monitoring health, no, dito sa health monitoring, no, ang pipili natin dito is the basic, and scroll down lang, and unactivate natin ito dahil ano lang naman tayo, nagde-demo lang yung ginagawa natin. And then for email notification, skip na natin yan, and default, and next. And then dito review na natin environment information, and then step 2, tingin ko wala naman ng mali dyan, and click submit. And dito ang nangyayari dito sa events is, ayan, nagki-create environment, starting na siya. So, wait lang natin siya ng ilang segundo, minutes. Elastic Beanstalk is launching in the environment. It will take a few minutes. So, wait lang natin, sandali. So, kanina ko pa talaga siya tinatry, sir. Oo, dito sa Elastic Beanstalk niya. Pero ayaw talaga. So, yun lang. After na ito, may kiklik na ditong link, and then pag link natin yan, mapupunta na tayo sa nagawa na natin may application na without code na gamit, without code na yun lang. So,